Hello students, now we are going to learn part 2 subject English 2.4 and Krakatoa. Okay, so let's start. First I am going to read the paragraph. You have to read silently with me. Krakatoa is an active volcano. It has erupted many times, causing great disasters. The worst of the eruptions took place in August 1883. The volcano erupted with such a loud boom that it was heard more than 3,500 km away in Australia. It is believed to be the loudest sound that man has ever heard. The island, which was a volcanic mountain, collapsed on itself. The dust that was thrown up in the eruption rose to about 80 km in the sky. It spreads in the sky around the world and later settled in different parts of the world, thousands of kilometers away. So we will get more information about it. So you can see in picture, it is a what is this? It is Krakatoa. Krakatoa is an active volcano. You can see it is erupting now also. So it is active volcano. Then it has erupted many times, causing great disaster. You can see that it erupted many times. The eruption is not stopped after the eruption. It is happening again and again, so that it has erupted many times, causing great disaster. And you know that when any volcanic eruption occurs, that time many great disaster occur. Okay, so you can see the worst of the eruption took place in when worst eruption took place, yes, which is in August 1883. So you can see the volcanic eruption erupted with such a loud boom that it was heard more than 3,500 km away in Australia. You know that when this eruption occur, at that time the loud noise, which like a boom sound, heard, and how much distance it goes away. It goes away until 3,500 kilometers. Okay, you can see the with picture. Here it is volcanic eruption occur, and that time the sound goes uh, to distance about 3,500, which is in Australia also. This sound heard in Australia also. Okay, so the island, which was volcanic mountain, and you know that that is island, and where the volcanic mountain also, it we call volcanic mountain also, and that mountain, uh, when eruption occurred, that time this mountain collapse on itself. You can see in picture, it is a collapse on itself. You can see the broken part of this mountain. Okay, so when this happening, that time what other thing happened? The dust that was thrown up, you can see the dust which is thrown up in the eruption rose to about 80 kilometer in the sky. When we measure this distance count how much as this distance count 80 kilometers. It spread in the sky around the world, and you can see when it throws goes in the sky, that time it spreads, and where it spreads around the world, and later settled in different parts of the world thousands of kilometers away. And where it spreads around the world, and where it spreads in the world thousands of kilometers away. Okay, so next read the next paragraph. The eruption caused giant waves or tsunamis in the area in the sea near the island. About 165 villages and towns were destroyed due to the eruption and the tsunamis. The eruption destroyed two-thirds of the island of Krakatoa. It collapsed beneath the surface of the sea, creating a huge underwater volcanic crater or hole. The hole was more than 6 kilometers wide. And you can see when volcanic eruption occurred that time, many tsunamis, the waves which is very high from the sea level, that we call tsunami. The eruption caused giant waves of tsunami. You can see it goes in the high in the sky, and that destroyed a lot of or tsunami in the sea near the island. And you can see this is island, and this tsunami occurs near the island. So how many villages are destroyed? About 165 villages. You can see the villages here, and which are destroyed due to the eruption, the volcanic eruption. And what is the another reason? The tsunami wave. Okay, so the eruption destroyed two-thirds of the island of Krakatoa. You can see the destroyed part of the how much part is destroyed? Two-thirds. Okay, and what happened? It collapsed beneath the surface of the sea, and it collapsed in the surface of the beneath the surface of the sea, and creating a huge underwater volcanic crater or hole. You can see the hole or the crater which is under water. Okay, so the hole was more than 6 kilometers wide, and if you measure the wideness of this hole, it counts 6 kilometers. So how much far you can imagine. So thank you. It is end our session. The next part we will see later. Thank you.